got no plans, we got nothing.
Grand Rising Boss Babes. We're just about to start our day. We got some cleaning that we want to do. We got some vlogs that we want to film. I gotta make a run to the post office. This got some wood that she can cut for y'all stamp orders. But listen, y'all hear all that stuff that we got. That's not even the top 3. That's the top 5. So before we get started with our day, y'all know we always come in with our teeny blends, okay? Sis got hers in her cute tumbler. Okay. I'm about to pour mine in my tumbler, okay? It's been about 2 weeks since we got the teeny blends package.
Yeah, so we all be working hard as entrepreneurs, and this it's amazing, honestly.
And we want to say thank you again to Timmy Blends for working with us, and we're going to keep keeping you guys updated on our progress with drinking and everything.
We have been drinking it every single
day since we got it. We probably gonna have to place another order soon because make sure y'all check the link in the description box so you can save some money. Okay, don't say we didn't yell out.
Period.
And then
get you some green juice.
Period. Okay.
So from Thursday, I have gotten these orders, and today is what, Tuesday? So I have like 7 orders to fill now, so I believe. So what I will do is go down here, make a new page, and then put their logo inside the 2x2 box, so I know that it'll be the correct size when I print it out. So that's pretty much how I make my stamps.